How to check your email password. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a safe and legitimate way that we can use to check our email password directly. So let's just dive right into the video and see what we can do in order to view it. So for that, we can head over to the settings of our device, and apps like Gmail and other email address hide our password for security reasons if we can't view it directly. So what we need to do is, once we are in settings, we can scroll down and go to Google option and tap on it. And from there, I'll basically look out for the option called manage our Google account. So go ahead and tap on your account and tap on it. And once we open up this, what we need to do is we need to look out for the option called security and sign in and tap on it. After we tap on security and sign in, we just need to scroll down to the section for password. So scroll down and reach until you reach over to the section called Passport Manager and tap on it. And once we tap on Passport Manager, we can look out for the email account. So go ahead and look out for the email account. Find email account google.com, for example, and tap on it. And once we tap on it, we need to enter up a screen lock if you have provided it. And click on the continue option. And there we'll be finding an email address with a password available. All we gotta do is look out for this eye icon and go ahead and tap on it, and we'll be finding our password. This is one of the method. We can use this option. If you've forgotten your password, you can also look out for the forgot password option, and you can follow out the steps, the OTP or the recovery email, etc. And that is one of the safest and the most common method available. And that's it. You can basically use a password manager to store your password safely as well. Those are also the method available. For now, you can just head over and follow out this method to check and recover your email address. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.